friends, welcome to Aruna's English. Today our topic is adjectives. An adjective is a word that qualifies a noun. Here the definition of the adjective is an adjective is a word that qualifies a noun. That means the word adjective says or qualifies about a noun. That means now observe these sentences. Rama is a good boy. The earth is round. He gave me 6 mangoes. There is much water in the pond. In these sentences, some words are highlighted. These words are adjectives. Take the first example. Rama is a good boy. Here, good is an adjective. This adjective qualifies noun. Here, what is the noun in this sentence? Boy is the noun. Here, this adjective says about that boy. That means that boy is a good boy. Okay. Like that, in the second sentence, the earth is round. Round is an adjective. This adjective says about the earth. Here, the earth is noun. And in the third sentence, he gave me 6 mangoes. Here, 6 is an adjective. What is the noun form? Mangoes. Here, this adjective says how many mangoes are there. So, this adjective qualifies the noun mangoes. And in the fourth sentence, there is much water in the pond. In this sentence, much is an adjective. Here, this adjective says about water. That means how much water is there in that pond. This adjective says. So, we can understand that not only the qualities of the person and also the number or the quantity are also show about the adjectives. That means some adjectives which are 6, much, etc. also tells about the nouns or qualifies about the nouns. And I will explain types of adjectives. If we read or if we know about the types of adjectives, we can easily understand the adjectives. First one, adjectives of quality. That means adjectives of quality show or shows of what kind of a thing is or what kind of a person is. That means already I explained you. Rama is a good boy. Here good is an adjective. This adjective says what kind of a person is Rama. Like that, so adjectives of quality show that what kind of a thing or person is. Example, tall, old, big, good, etc. Second one, adjectives of number or numeral adjective. Again, see the definition. These adjectives show how many of a thing they are in what order. And the second one is adjectives of number. Again, this adjectives of number, this adjective is classified into two types. First one is indefinite numeral adjective. Second one is definite numeral adjective. Already I said that adjectives of number or adjectives of or numeral adjective. Here, these adjectives show how many of a thing there are or in what order. How many are there and in what order are there. Like that, these adjectives show. These are classified into two. First one, indefinite numeral adjective. Example, any, some, many, a few, etc. That means indefinite numeral adjective does not show exactly how many are there. That's why we say any, some, many. That means there are many books or there are some things. Like that we are saying, but we are not saying exactly the number. That's why it is known as indefinite numeral adjective. B. definite numeral adjective. Here it shows exact number. Example 1, 2, first, second. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. etc. And first, second, third, etc. etc. So this definite numeral adjective show the exact number or exact position or anything. Next, third one, adjectives of quantity. Here, these adjectives these adjectives show how much of a thing there is. Already in the above, we are saying how many are there. Now this is how much is there. That means quantity. It shows the quantity. Example, much rice, some milk, a little money, etc. For example, there is much rice in the bag, or there is some milk in the glass or in the tumbler. I have a little money with me, like that. Next, fourth one, demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point out which things are meant. That means these adjectives show about which things we are talking or which things we are considering or we are taking. For example, this book, that boy, these trees, the same book, etc. Here the examples are this book, that boy, these trees, the same book, etc. That means, see, I will tell you one example. This kind of thing is very nice. In this sentence, this kind of thing here, this is a demonstrative adjective. Like that, we can understand that in those sentences, this, that, these are adjectives. And fifth one, distributive adjectives. These adjectives show that things are taken separately. That means examples, see, each boy, every man, either pen, neither party, etc. That means here it is taken everything separately. So it shows that distributive adjective. Interrogative adjectives. Definition. What, which and whose when used with nouns to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives. Actually, we know that what, which, where, why, when, these are questioning words. If we use these questioning words along with nouns, then they are called adjectives. Observe the examples. What books do you read? In this sentence, what is used along with books? Here, books is noun. So that's why what is an adjective. In the second sentence, which boy got the prize? In this sentence, boy is noun and it is used along with which, that is an adjective. Whose pen is this? Whose is an adjective because this whose is used along with pen, noun. So that's why we say that these words are adjectives. When these words are used along with nouns, then only we call these words adjectives. Otherwise, they are questioning words. Okay. So I think you have got some. I think you have got some idea about the adjectives. Okay. Thank you.